We're here at the Unitrends booth, and we're at VMworld 2014. Can you tell us a little bit about Unitrends and what you're showing here at VMworld?
Absolutely. Really excited about being here at VMworld 2014. My name is Kurosh Kashayar. My colleague here is Mark Jordan. Unitrends is a backup and disaster recovery solution with a focus on the recovery part. We have the ability to do a local disk-to-disk backup, backing up to our physical appliance or our virtual appliance. Our motto is your customers, your cloud, your way. So really the flexibility is one of the things that we concentrate on, we focus on with our partners. We have a very robust channel program. We have resellers who purchase through our distributors, or we have a MSP program that you could actually provide services and utilize our solutions for all of your needs. And how many years have you been here, Mr. Jordan, now?
12 years.
12 years. Mr. Jordan has been here for 12 years, and I think the oldest serving member of our team, so I'm going to pass it on to him, and he's going to be doing the demo of our solution. Thank you.
Thanks, Kurosh. Yes, and what Kurosh has said, flexibility, that's really the key of the product, right? And if you look at what we have here, this is our Unitrends Enterprise Backup solution. It can be delivered as a virtual machine in VMware environment, or it can be delivered on one of our all-in-one appliances, our Recovery Series appliance, where it's bundled with the storage that's necessary to do backups. This is used when you have a mixed environment of physical systems and virtual machines. It allows you to put an agent out on those physical systems, see the applications that you need to protect, or you can do agentless on the virtual machines there. So like Kurosh had said earlier, flexibility, the ability to back up in a way that makes sense to you, so that works for you. We don't force you into a corner in how you protect your data. Once you're doing the backups of these systems, you have the ability to replicate that data off-site. This status screen that you see in the middle shows you the results of the backups. It shows you the results of replication. Replication can go to a system that you put into one of your data centers, and block level replication to that you manage it and you have it there for disaster recovery purposes. It could go to the Unitrends cloud, and we provide disaster recovery as a service as one of our products that you can get as on a monthly reoccurring basis. Okay. So this is for mixed environments, right? If you have an all virtual environment and you choose to go with our Unitrends virtual backup, it's deployed with your hypervisor, managed through this browser-based interface, where it allows you to configure the virtual backup appliances that you have, right? When you select those, it'll show you which storage is being used there. It'll allow you to access the different vCenters that you need to protect. When you come up here to the Protect button, it'll show you, so it'll open it up here. It'll show you the vCenters you're protecting, and it'll show you the VMs. And this is all virtual. Works for VMware. Once again, you can replicate these off-site as well. Replicate them to a second site. You could also use our CloudHook product to archive them up into the cloud for long-term storage. We find that this product, it's very fast. It has a very easy to use interface, and it also has great compression, great deduplication. Both of these products that I just showed you, you can ensure recoverability using reliable DR. And what that allows you to do is orchestrate a disaster recovery process. It allows you to set it up so that it tests the recovery of the virtual machines that you backed up and that you replicated. When these jobs, when you go in and set up a job, it'll allow you to set the RPOs, or the SLAs that you need to use, the recovery points, how many recovery points you need to have, what your recovery time objective is, and then it'll run the job, the test that you orchestrate to make sure that you hit those SLAs. Right? So you have the ability to go in and set it up to test applications. It just doesn't spin up the virtual machine. What it does is it'll spin up the virtual machine and it'll test the application. So if you have a SQL database, it'll query the database. If you have a web service that you want to test, it'll test the web service for you. All that's done using the Reliable DR product. That Reliable DR will work with our Unitrends Virtual Backup product. It'll work with the backups that are on our Unitrends Enterprise Backup product, our recovery series appliances, and it can work with storage replication. So if you're not using any of our backup products, you can still use your reliable DR to orchestrate and test your DR if you're with the storage replication of VMware. So that's really kind of the Unitrends product line in just a couple minutes. Would love you to visit unitrends.com. You can download free evaluation copies of all of our software and try it yourself.